Your fucking camera hit my fucking face, bitch! No, I'm not placed under arrest for anything. Can you let me go tonight? No! What do you gotta want for? What do you gotta want for?
Some people choose to cooperate when they find themselves at a disadvantage, but Elizabeth chose to fight everything happening in front of her. From the roadside to the hospital, every time she tried to regain control, the consequences only became more serious. At Prairie du Chien, Wisconsin, an officer on duty spotted Elizabeth driving through a parking area that had been taped off to keep vehicles out. The officer immediately stopped the vehicle and recognized her from previous encounters.
Wes,
What?
why'd you go through the fencing over there?
Because I thought I could just go around and come around.
Well, you went right through it.
Oh, I know.
It was blacked off for a reason.
No. I just thought I could come through it.
Careful. You have your driver's license? You have your...
Just let me go home for the night, please.
I need to see your driver's license.
Just let me go home for the night, please.
Driver's license, please.
I can walk home from here, I don't care. Just let me walk home from here, please.
Driver's license, please.
Yeah, I know, but please don't see you pulled me over, please. Just fucking walk home. Fucking stupid.
Thank you. I'll be right back with you, okay?
Delivery 28 if you need it.
Elizabeth?
No, it's alright. It's alright. I got you. You don't even know. Because I got fucking court in fucking August.
Are you willing to do some field sobriety tests?
No, can you just let me go home?
No. So you're not willing to do field sobriety?
No, I'm not.
Okay.
Elizabeth's refusal to perform field sobriety tests did not by itself prove that she was intoxicated, but the officer was not relying on just one detail. Based on what he observed from her driving and her condition at the scene, the officer made an announcement that caused the situation to begin escalating.
Well, you're
Just
gonna be
let me
placed...
go home
No,
and
you're
all.
placed under arrest for
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
Placed under arrest for anything.
Yes, you are.
If I can,
Elizabeth.
can I?
Elizabeth.
Okay, if I place.
Elizabeth.
Okay, will you listen to me? Oh, I can I place fucking shit so I can get out?
Post bond is what you're saying?
Yes.
Okay.
Tonight?
You
If
might
I
be able
post bond, can I get out tonight?
to. You might be able to, yes. So, I need you to turn around and place your hands behind your
No.
back. Elizabeth.
No. This is funny. Fucking stupid fucking bitch. No.
Elizabeth, place your hands behind your back.
If I can get out tonight, will they be able to get fucking me out tonight?
I've only just met her, but I need to bail her out, so...
Okay. Elizabeth, I need you to place your hands behind your back.
I know, but will you be able to get me out tonight?
Can you listen? Stop. Stop. Just listen to what he's saying. The quicker you do it, the better it will be for you, so just stop. Just put your hands behind your back.
I know.
Turn round. Turn round.
But can he get me out tonight?
Yes, he can. Alright?
I got my own fucking money.
Turn round.
Is there any way
Elizabeth.
I can get out tonight?
Elizabeth.
We'll talk about that later.
No, not later. Can I get out tonight or
I'll
no?
handcuff you in front. So listen to your friend here.
Listen to him.
He's being...
I know.
Just listen to him. Just do what he says, and the quicker you do it, the quicker you get out. So just do what he says.
You be able to let me out?
Just do what he says.
I have to see what bond is, okay? It might be 500. I'm not sure.
Cash or what?
Calm down, right?
No, it's fucking stupid. It's stupid fucking
April
bitch.
Crawford 75 255.
No, it's not
Let me
fucking
lock
being
those
silly.
up.
You don't even fucking know it's being fucking silly.
Hold on.
Cause she said, no, I'm not going anywhere.
No, I know that.
I'm just going right here.
I know, but I don't want you to fall over.
No, you're fine. Can I have a cigarette? You got one? Will you look into the car for one, please?
There's no cigarette.
Yeah, there is. I'll fucking look for
Liz,
one
we're not gonna do the cigarette.
There's no cigarette.
Oh, I'm going to. Please look for one. I know
There's
there's
no
one.
cigarettes. You didn't have any cigarettes.
Did I leave them at the bar or what?
We're gonna go back to my car. What do you need from here?
A cigarette?
I don't
no
have
cigarette.
that. But
And you're not gonna put me under arrest. I got a fucking credit card. I got it.
You've been drinking, I assume, sir?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, you can't bond her out if you've been drinking. It's got to be someone sober. All right, we're gonna go back to my car.
Do you want to take your purse? Can she take her purse
Yes.
and her cards with her and everything?
Yep, absolutely.
Yeah.
So we'll get those.
Can I? Who's gonna be able to fucking post me bond?
Well, you have friends, right?
Yeah, I do.
Well, you could.
He's not fucking under fucking anything.
He's been drinking though. He said.
I don't care. What does that fucking matter
One
if he's
drink,
fucking?
that's all.
Thank you.
Oh.
I've only had one drink though.
While in handcuffs, she seemed almost entirely focused on being released on bond that same night and began directing her anger toward the men who were with her. The officer repeatedly had to tell her to cooperate so they could finish getting her into the patrol vehicle.
Can I come with her or what?
No, he can't, sir. I'm sorry. Do you have your phone?
I'm literally here on my own. I've got nowhere to go. I don't know.
How'd you get here?
I drove to the casino. I drove to the casino.
He's from fucking
And
Iowa.
she drove me, and I don't know where I am. I don't know.
Can
I
he
literally
meet me
don't
there?
know- I literally don't know where I am.
Well, let me get her in the back of my car first, and then we'll.
No. Okay, so
Liz?
if I give him, okay.
Elizabeth, listen to me. No, it's my turn to talk, okay? I've been polite up to this point, but there's a point where I'm not going to be polite. You're going to start listening and doing as I say, okay? So you're going to get
I'm
back in my
going
squad.
to.
Okay.
Just listen to
But
it.
this is fucking retarded.
I'm not the
Elizabeth.
one that made the decision to drive. You did. I'm not the one that decided to turn into a barricaded area and drive through it. You did. Those are your choices, not mine, right? Good. So we're going to go back to my car now.
Stop.
Elizabeth,
Stop.
you're making this worse than what it needs to be, okay?
You're gonna let me go tonight?
No.
The way you're acting, no, I'm not going to.
Can you let me go tonight?
Once we get through the paperwork and stuff, there's a possibility you can bond out, yes, okay?
Can you bond me out with my?
There's got to be a sober person.
He is sober.
Sober.
Is there any
Zero.
Can you test him? He's sober.
When you get back in my squad car, I will. Okay, so come on, let's go.
The quicker you do it, the better it is.
I know, but
Let's
will
go.
you test him so I know that he's sober?
Yes, let's go.
I don't want
Elizabeth.
fucking Ricky and his fucking sister. His sister's a fucking bitch.
Okay, they have nothing to do with it.
Yeah, they do.
No, they don't. Let's go.
They're the ones that fucking put a fucking
Come on.
stupid fucking
Come on.
Come on, let's go.
stupid fucking restraining order. Fucking stupid fucking bitch, Cheryl.
Stop blaming everyone else.
No, I'm
stop.
serious.
Stop blaming everyone.
No, fucking Cheryl's a fucking bitch and that fucking bitch needs to fucking go to fucking jail for.
Sit in there. Just sit in there for a second. It'll be fine.
Come on.
Sit there.
I gotta put the seatbelt on, Wes. Please.
Relax.
Even after being placed in the patrol vehicle, the woman continued yelling and cursing. She would be taken to the hospital for a blood draw, where her next decisions and actions would bring serious consequences to the case.
Hey,
Yes, I grabbed you.
will you and what's his name bail me out or no?
No, he cannot.
Fucking what?
No, he cannot.
Why? This is fucking stupid. You know what? This is
This is
fucking dumb.
defense.
Josh,
Yes.
what are you talking about?
What do you mean?
Can somebody bail me out or no?
Give me 1 second and let me look, okay?
please, or I'll bail myself out. I got the money. This is fucking ridiculous. I got the fucking money on my credit card, whatever. Whatever I need to get out. I'm leaving this fucking town. This fucking town is so stupid.
So it's $850 to get out.
What?
$850 to get out.
What do you mean $850 to get out?
That's how much bond is.
Why?
That's what it says, $850.
What the fuck do you mean? $850 to fucking get out? That motherfucker. What the fuck do you mean? $850 to fucking get out on $850.
So this is your citation. Mandatory court date August 7th at
I
1:30
don't give
p.m.
a fuck. My blood is not going to be drawn from you, and my counselor and my doctor will.
We have a warrant.
I don't give a fuck what you have. If I could call my counselor and my doctor right now, my blood is not going to be drawn from this fucking hospital. I don't give a fuck.
Even Elizabeth's refusal to provide a blood sample could not stop the process either. Police already had a search warrant for the blood draw. Wisconsin also follows an implied consent law, under which drivers are considered to have consented to chemical testing under certain OWI conditions established by law. More importantly in this case, police already had a valid warrant.
A warrant for what?
For
What do you
what?
got a warrant for what? A warrant for what? What do you got a warrant for?
Stop.
No! What do you got a warrant for? What do you got a warrant for? What do you got a warrant for?
Blood draw.
Blood draw? Really?
Let's go. We have a warrant, so.
I don't give a f- what you have. My blood is not going to be drawn from this fucking hospital, and I fucking told everybody, no, nope, I'm not. I'm not. Fucking Cheryl, no, I'm not. No, I'm not. I don't give a f- what you guys got. That fucking bitch, no, no, my blood is not going to be drawn from this fucking hospital. I'm not. What am I under arrest for? Can you guys tell me that?
I've already told you 100 times.
What am I under arrest for?
OWI 3rd.
On VI 3rd? Really? Did you catch me?
Yeah, I did.
Hello? Is it being recorded? I hope so. Is it? I hope so. Why is she in here then?
Are you going to cooperate with the blood draw?
No, I'm not.
Okay, then you're going to be held down, so that's why she's in there.
So then if she's in here for fucking me being under arrest, then why is she in here?
She's in here because you said you're not going to cooperate with the blood draw, so then we have to hold you down.
No, you don't have to fucking hold me down. I'm under fucking handcuffs, obviously. Call my fucking, no!
Left arm out and put the
No!
in there.
I don't give what they fucking
I think we'll
say!
just do left since we're closest.
And
then recuff the right to the rail.
you and your fucking camera can get out of my fucking face, bitch! I'll spit in your fucking face.
Do it and you'll be charged.
Oh, really?
The resistance had gone beyond simply arguing about the blood draw. Elizabeth had been warned that continuing to interfere with police could lead to additional consequences. Under Wisconsin Statute Section 946.41, intentionally resisting or obstructing an officer performing lawful duties may constitute resisting or obstructing an officer, a Class A misdemeanor in its basic form. But even after that warning, she continued acting in ways that made the blood draw more difficult.
Because your fucking camera hit my fucking face, bitch! Ah!
Really?
Your fucking camera hit in my fucking face, and I have a fucking proof! Take a picture now, bitch! You're not gonna take pictures? You fucking bitch!
Nope, that's a charge.
Stop!
Alright, enough.
I don't know how to double out.
A spit hood by chance? You guys keep those here?
I don't give a
I don't know how
Spit hoods?
Sir, I got her.
I don't give a f- Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Get the f out of here, you fucking bitch!
I got her lowered out of here, we're good.
Oh yeah, we're good. Fuck you, all of you!
Let's knock it off, come on.
Get the f away from me right fucking now, you stupid bitch.
Please stop.
You!
I don't
Fucking
the lower
stupid
line.
fucking bitch!
Just so you know. No.
No! You guys think you can fucking ruin fucking everybody's fucking life? All of you!
That's enough.
No!
The final blood test showed that Elizabeth's BAC was 0.23. Her case was especially serious because it was recorded as her fourth OWI. In Wisconsin, drivers with 3 or more countable prior OWIs have a lower alcohol concentration limit of 0.02, and a fourth OWI is treated as a Class H felony. With a BAC between 0.20 and 0.249, Wisconsin law also provides that fines for repeat OWI offenses may be tripled. After the incident, Elizabeth faced 4 charges, including fourth offense OWI, resisting or obstructing an officer, and 2 felony bail jumping charges. However, according to the final case outcome, Elizabeth was convicted of OWI and resisting or obstructing an officer and received 2 years of probation for each offense. Now, let's see how viewers reacted to this case. Ridiculous that she was not sentenced to jail time after her fourth OV. She's a staggering drunk that was driving. They need to stop these people from driving permanently. Never good when an officer recognizes someone from previous encounters. I don't understand why judges give them probation when they know that the offender is just going to do it again. What do you think? Share your opinion in the comments below. Resisting and always believing you are right rarely leads to a good outcome. Elizabeth not only turned an OWI investigation into a confrontation that lasted from the roadside to the hospital, but her decisions also left her facing additional legal problems. In the end, the arguments could not change the 0.23 test result or the consequences she had to face. If you enjoy the way we tell stories like this, subscribe to the channel. Your support helps us continue bringing you cases that not many people have heard about.